Welcome back, my subscribers. All right, Mad Brad's Customs here. We are up underneath the 62 Falcon. This car has had a very built 289 put in it and a T5. I am draining the fluids now because third gear, acts up a little bit, and then it's needing a clutch, I believe. I tried driving it. It seems like it's hard to get it in gears, but it's 100% clutch problems. Alrighty, just letting everybody know we are getting ready to pull this baby out. We'll start with the drive shaft. Oh yeah, this is a very well built car. It is for sale. I'm going to spin you around a few times. Stainless steel exhaust all on it. Headers. Good camshaft in it. Yeah. Transmission fluid doesn't look too bad. I see a little silver to it. Yeah. I see a lot of silver to it. But anyway. Alrighty. If you don't know what you're looking at, it has a modular drive lines hydraulic system. Kind of like that. I'm thinking about putting it on the Cobra because I hate the cable on the Cobra. Anyway, alrighty, we getting ready to unbolt things. All right, Mad Brad's Customs, we are out.